Meet the LG UltraGear Evo 32GX870B, LG's first ever 32-inch 4K tandem OLED gaming monitor. This isn't just another OLED, it's the first 4K gaming display built on LG's 4th generation Primary RGB Tandem OLED architecture, a 4-stack panel design previously limited to 1440p screens. Now it's going bigger and sharper. With a 3840 by 2160 resolution packed into a 32-inch panel, the UltraGear Evo 32GX870B delivers roughly 138 pixels per inch, making it noticeably crisper than traditional 27-inch 1440p monitors. Text, fine textures, and UI elements appear cleaner, tighter, and more refined. But clarity is only part of the story. LG is pushing refresh rates to extremes. At native 4K, the panel runs at an impressive 240 Hz, already elite territory. Drop the resolution to 1080p, and it can scale all the way up to 480 Hz, targeting competitive gamers who demand absolute motion clarity and minimal latency. To bridge the gap between resolutions, LG is introducing AI-powered upscaling, designed to make lower-resolution content appear closer to 4K without sacrificing responsiveness. The goal? High frame rates without compromising image quality. Visually, this monitor checks all the premium boxes. LG confirms 99.5% DCI P3 color coverage, paired with DisplayHDR True Black 500 certification. Expect deep blacks, precise highlights, and the kind of contrast only OLED can deliver. Now with improved brightness efficiency thanks to the tandem OLED structure. Connectivity is equally forward-looking. The 32GX870B supports DisplayPort 2.1, HDMI 2.1, and USB-C with up to 90 watts of power delivery, making it ideal for high-end gaming PCs, next-gen consoles, and even laptop-based setups. While LG hasn't revealed pricing or a release date yet, its positioning is clear. Showcased alongside LG's new UltraGear Evo 5K displays at CES 2026, this monitor is aimed squarely at the premium enthusiast market.